In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 activation error 0xC004C003. First thing, go here, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator, and here you want to type in VBS space dash rearm and press enter. After this, check if your issue is fixed. If it's not, then go here and type in register editor. Here you want to go to this place, so go to HKey local machine and then go to software, and here inside software go to Microsoft. Inside Microsoft go to Windows NT. Inside Windows NT go to current version and click on current version. So here you're gonna find the edition, so you're gonna find this one that says edition ID. So here you want to name it core single language. After that you want to click OK. Then you want to go and find product name, click on it twice, and here what you're gonna name this is Windows. So name this Windows 11 Home Single Language, and then press OK. So after that you want to go again and go back here, so go to the HKey local machine software. Inside of software you want to go down and find wow6432 node. Inside of this folder you want to go down and find Microsoft, and here you want to find Windows NT, so it should be here, Windows NT. Inside Windows NT click on current version. Now here you want to find product name again, so this is product name, and here what you're gonna do is rename this, so Windows 11 Home, and then you want to press OK. And here again find edition ID, click on it twice, change it to core single language, and then you want to press OK. So after you do this, now you can close this down and go to Google. So here you want to type in Windows 11 ISO file, go to this website and go down here and select Windows 11, then you want to download now, so click confirm, and after you choose your language you can click download to download the 64-bit. So wait for your download, and once it's done, all you have to do is simply mount it and install the setup. The setup is very easy to install. Just go through the installation, click next, and this will install it, and after that restart your computer and you're done.